So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to edit the property taxes filter here on Redfin. So once Redfin's opened up, type in your location. I'll use New York City for this example, and then I'll press on search. Now, if you wanted to find a house or maybe a condo or whatever that does have maybe less property tax, for example, you can go to the top here to where it says filter, and I want you to scroll down all the way to where it says cost slash finance. Now, where it says property taxes right here, if you sort of want to set a filter or maybe a limit on how much you're willing to spend, you can go ahead and do this. So, for example, if you want your property taxes to be less than $3,000, you can go ahead and do that. Press on See Homes, and you can find the refined results this way. So, very simple, super straightforward. That is how you guys can edit the property taxes filter here on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.